Okay, well this is our final walkthrough, 4304 Mentone. Had the new windows installed and stucco redone. Truck is packed up and ready to go. There's the neighbor's house and there's our fence back there. And I'll try to make this as quick as I can, not too much. Then we come down here. And here's a very dark dungeon, but the good thing about it is that it's a tool room. And I noticed that there's good lighting on this camera. Airstream is packed to the gills, all set here, and then fixed all the door locks. They have a lot of damage in them. And then the laundry room. We got the washer, the dryer, hot water heater, laundry sink, so forth. New windows down here, and then all new plumbing for the main arteries anyway. And we have this little storage room back here, which is kind of cool. I always wanted to put a door in here so that if you had a hobby, you could work in and out of that window. We might change that later. This is the way this is, and then there's a little laundry chute right there. You just throw your clothes down here. All right, and then we close out, and rather than go back down the stairs when I'm through here in the front, I'll just show you those are the stairs that go back up to the front yard. Now we come back down this way here. These reviews are always good so that when you come back, you show the way the house was when you left, in case there's any issues. All new wall. I built that wall actually. That's probably what gave me the hernia, but not this one. This one you saw earlier was being done by Mike and his crew. We got all new plants going in here. These are agaves, blue agaves. And then we took out all that rubbish down there, and you're not going to hear me because of the speaker right now, so I'll just quit the talking right now. Come around here. Then we redid that room down there, replaced the soffits up on the top, and then we have a new gate. These trees are huge, huge trees, and they shed a lot, but they also shade a lot. Shade and shed. And a little hummingbird plant. This is a beautiful planter we got. Just a terrific deal. New front window, and it has that green glaze on it. Took out those palm trees. There was 6 of smaller ones in here, but they were going to be monsters, so I locked the front door. Doggone it. Oh my goodness sakes. Okay, well, I'll go back around then. Hey, but at least you can see the front gate, which is a nice look. All right, back down here. There's a Formosa Slough, they call it, or the reserve, and there's a lot of wild birds down there, and that's a beautiful park down there. And then going over to that main street there, and then taking a left takes you right into Ocean Beach, where they have a 15-acre dog walk park, all green grass and sand. Nice, real nice. I rebuilt this back here with green board that was left over from the front porch, and then we come back in through the backyard. We're leaving that bench, and we're going to leave these tables and chairs and the barbecue, which has been fantastic. And then there's Daisy. She's getting ready to go too. New lamp fixture up there, which turned out pretty cute. I like the colors. Dolly picked out the colors. I think they did a great job there. And then the repair work on the wall. And then our 1974 glass that we put in back in the day. Then we come in here. Better hurry it up now. I don't want to make this an hour long. We come in here, and here's a nice little storage room. It's a nice space, but because it hasn't been, whatever. It's a nice space. It could be a closet, it could be any number of things. He's thinking about bringing his office or his weights in here, I don't know, something like that. And then you come back here and you see, oh, the neighborhood. Great neighborhood. There's the gate again. And across that way there, the Formosa Slough goes back and around. A lot of folks take their dogs down there. This all turned out really nice here. I replaced all the lumber on the decking. It was gone. And the superstructure, leaving the chairs and the plant there. These doors have been a great thing because they hold out all the noise from the traffic. And then repainted in this room. Here's the bedroom that we were using, which goes out to the deck, to the gate and a driveway. And then we have this bathroom finished up. This turned out really, really great. This was one of the better things. And it also took the longest time. We got the cork floor down, which is an excellent choice. And then we have the IKEA sink that came in here and fitted up nice. It's an unusual way to put a sink together because you come right out of the drain and go right to the back, but it turned out good. And so like so. And I love that sink. We should have something like that at home. Rebuilt the heater. Actually, that's engine paint on there, and that should do good. I replaced the thermocoupling and the jet in that, so it works real good. This is the best bedroom for us because it's quiet back here, and also because we have most of our memories here with growing up together. And then we have our hallway. Fixed that little hallway switch. Just got a new one at Home Depot. And that's pretty much it, except for the kitchen, which Dolly's enjoyed. I think she said so anyway. New fan. And these are the old cabinets that we had done in 81 or something like that. And then that turned out nice, I think. We put in blinds, and then a new light fixture, back door, and then this is a bonus room with shelving. They brought in their freezer, and there's no light or electricity except for what I brought in from the bedroom back there. And then we go back out here again. I left that little thing on there for her herbs. They're earth people in a way. They like to grow food and they like to do all their own cooking. So that's it in a nutshell. Hope it hasn't taken too long, doggone it, but that's it. And let's see, where do I go from here? I guess just a nice little ending. Bye. 4304 Mentone, San Diego, 92107.